When you have loads of things that you're interested in, that you can do, and that you're really good at, it can be a very big challenge to figure out what you should offer in your business. In fact, I hear this from so many entrepreneurs that are either just starting out or looking to transition out of their 9-to-5 into their own business. How do I know what to offer? Have you ever felt this way? Let me know in the comments. Is this something that you've struggled with? Hi there, I'm Alli, and welcome if this is your first time watching this channel. If not, welcome back. I help entrepreneurs to elevate their brand and online presence so that they can quickly and confidently connect with their audience online and make more money in their business. But you can't make money until you know what to offer. And I'm a take action kind of girl. So sure, you could just sit on this, but until you start taking action and moving forward, you aren't going to know what works. If that sounds easier said than done, let's go over 3 questions that you need to ask yourself when deciding on what business idea to start with and what to offer. Number 1 is, how much money do you need to make or do you want to make? Now, I know not everybody is in it for the money, and that might be the case for you. You might have a more mission or purpose-driven business, and that's amazing. But even if that's the case, you need to know what sort of profit you want to bring in. This is going to allow you to measure all of your different interests and ideas against what income you actually need to make. Maybe all of your ideas would make a good business in your mind. Maybe you're a quilter, a runner, and a dog lover. It would take hours of your time to make individual quilts to sell, but you could spend a lot less time and make more money by teaching people how to do the quilting. You may not be able to make as much money dog sitting, but if you were able to start a dog sitting service or teach others how to start their own dog sitting service, you could spend less time and make more money. What it comes down to is how much time you'll have to work in order to bring in the amount of money that you want to bring in so that you can afford to live the life that you desire. The second question is, what can you do that would be easy to deliver right away? What's the easiest thing that you could do right now that you could monetize today? What's the lowest hanging fruit? It can be really enticing to create this incredible group coaching experience right out of the gate so that you can serve multiple people at once and bring in more money. But if you have to set up all of the systems to run that large program and also acquire a large audience in order to fill that program, it's not going to be so quick and easy after all. What it is going to do is slow you down. The sooner you can get your first offer out there, the sooner you'll start making money. And with that money, you can reinvest it into your business so that you can start creating more offers. So you want your first business idea to be something that you can deliver immediately, that takes little to no effort from you to get up and running. And number 3, what's going to make you happy? Because if it's not making you happy, it is not worth doing. Dig a little bit deep here and think about what's really going to light you up. What are you truly passionate about? I heard once that if you want to run a truly purposeful and meaningful business, that you need to think about what breaks your heart. What breaks your heart when you see this happening, something going on that you know you could resolve? For me, it truly breaks my heart to see people stuck in jobs that they hate, just sick to their stomachs on Sunday night, dreading having to go into their job on Monday morning. And as a child growing up, watching all the adults around me do that, I was determined that I did not want to live my life that way. Luckily, I was taught to dream big and find something that I love to do with my life. And if it's not out there, if it's not something I can find, then I can go create that for myself. And so that's exactly what I did. I built my business based on the idea that I can now help others build businesses that they love on their terms. So if turning your passion into your business idea is what you want to do, then I want you to check out my 30 Days to Launch playbook. It's a checkable calendar of daily tasks to simply and strategically launch your business online in just 1 month. Each task is paired with an in-depth daily prompt where I share exactly what you need to do and all of the tools that you need to do it. Don't worry, all of the tools I recommend are free, so you can actually get it done. The link is in the description box below, or you can head over to dowelldesignstudio.com/30-day launch to get it. Now, if having a multitude of interests as an entrepreneur is something that you struggle with, click the video that's on the screen right now where I go over how to brand yourself when you're multi-passionate. Let's go get them.